Holmbech Thomas is marketed as a stylish men's fashion store offering trendy jackets, sweaters, shirts, and seasonal clothing at massive discounts. But the real question is Holmbech Thomas a real men's fashion store, or could it be another risky online shopping site? Now, to be fair, not every new online clothing store is automatically a scam. Some smaller fashion retailers genuinely operate online-only businesses and use aggressive discounts to attract customers. What it does well: the website looks professional. At first glance, the store presents itself like many modern fashion e-commerce brands. Prices can seem very attractive. Heavy discounts may appeal to shoppers looking for affordable men's clothing, where the red flags start appearing. The website is extremely new. This is one of the biggest concerns. Multiple website reputation services report that the domain was only registered in February 2026, making it a very young store with limited history. Trust scores are unusually low. Several scam detection and reputation services give the site poor trust ratings and classify it as potentially suspicious. Customer complaints are already appearing. Reports mention orders not arriving, disputes over deliveries, refund issues, and concerns about unauthorized charges. So, is Holmbech Thomas real or fake? Short answer: the store may be a real website, but there are enough warning signs that shoppers should be very cautious before spending money there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.